Hey, hello viewers. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. My name is Rajesh Ahire, and today we will be going to see another topic in our Python series, which is a recursion. Okay, so uh, let me create one function first. So let's give the random name one or a random name. No, random is a keyword random we will do. Okay, and this will simply print my surname like Ahire, and I'm just calling that function. So okay, and let me run these programs. Okay, so it is printing the Ahire. Okay, but today's our topic is recursion. So what is recursion? So recursion is actually we are using the recursion when we have to call the function itself within that same function. Means if we want to print something more time, so I am going to recursively call that function. Okay, so let's say I'm just uh, using that function within this function. So let's say, so do pause the video and let me know in the comment. So how many times the IRE will gonna be print here. Okay. So according to the this function, so firstly technically it will print the one time and then it will go ahead. So firstly it will go to function calling, then it will print the ahire, then it will go to the random function again, then it will again go to that function, and then it will again print that value. So that means this function will not only gonna print ahire one time, two times, three times, or 100 times. So it will gonna print infinite times. So let me run these programs. Okay, so you will able to see that the ahire. Okay, and lastly we are getting some errors, so let me go out through that errors. So error will be like the maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling Python object. Okay, so array is printing nine three times. Okay, more times. So the recursion depth is okay. So it is exceeding that recursion depth. So actually, our system has one concept. So within these programs, the recursion depth is fixed, and if we have the recursion depth is only 1,000. Okay, but some will say that if we have to print the multiple times, is it possible to print? Yes, we can customize the recursion, but the actual depth is 1,000. So how we will be going to print that? So let me say, okay, so I want to now max the limit up to the 5,000. So let me say I'll want to first import sys, and then I'm using that sys module to the set recursion limit. So here I can set whatever the number of times I want. So I will set up to the 4,000 time. And okay, first now let me show you once. We will not gonna print this, so let me just run this again. And now we can able to see that okay, so it takes exactly one argument and zero has given. Okay, so Let me print this thing first. Print. Let me show you first the limit of the recursion. Okay, so we are not able to see that. Just let's say we will increase that limit and print that limit also. So set recursion to the 3000 and we will see what is the limit of that. So okay, so it's take only exactly one argument. Okay, so let me print this also. Let me call the function also, and now oh, it's again giving me error like module number 6. Some error. Let's see set recursion. Okay, I am using the set recursion. I want to use the get recursion function, and I am using the set recursion. Pardon me, guys. That okay. And now let me run this. And now you can able to see that the maximum limit is 1000. But if someone will say that I want to increase that limit, so I want to customize the recursion function, so we will able to customize. So we have to use sys dot set recursion limit. So whatever the number of times we have to set this limit now, so we will be set that limit. Okay, so I'm setting the limit up to the 5000. So let me show you. So it's giving the 5000. Okay, so the recursion topic we will be using in depth, but okay, so let me show you. This will exactly print 5000 times or not. Okay, so I will use one variable here. I equal to 0, and let me use that variable in the function. So we have to use the global variable within the function. So what we will use? We will make global that variable as a global in function also. Okay, and now and I'm running the code, and I want to print I also here. Mention I, and let me run this. And now you can able to see that the process is finished. The process is not finished actually. It's printing the recursion so many times. So just we have to end up this. We have to terminate that loop. And again, okay. So now you can able to see that the line is repeated 996 times. Okay, so it's showing like that. Okay, so what is the last number we will be getting? 1996. Okay, so it is printing up to the 2000. Okay, so that's it for this video. So if you like this video, then do share with others, guys, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.